Hey guys, Claire here, and this is James, and he's kind of having a little bit of a day. This is attempt 3 at shooting this video. But I wanted to catch up with you. This is sort of 6 months in with my baby James, and it's been really, I mean, obviously it's very fun. I love him to death, and it's great. But it's been interesting seeing how it keeps changing. So I think the last time I talked to you guys about James, we were in like plagiocephaly torticollis land, and which means he had like a wonky shaped head and some tightness in his neck and all that. And what's been amazing is we did physical therapy and it totally worked. It, you know, got his head nice and round like a bowling ball, and he doesn't have to do the helmet, which I'm really excited about. He's still a little tight, so we're working on that now, but it's been good. So progress there. You can see now he is so busy. He is moving and grooving, and I think he's gonna skip crawling. Craig didn't crawl, he just rolled. I didn't crawl, I walked at 7 months, which is so creepy sounding. And considering, like, imagine him walking a month from now, yikes. But yeah, apparently James this is his favorite stance. He wants to stand like a big boy and show off his standing. He's not super fond of tummy time, so that's still a problem. So it'll be interesting to see if he actually crawls. I want him to crawl because that'll help his hamstrings. I have the shortest hamstrings ever, and I'm not a fan of that. So we'll see what happens. He's full on teething. So he has these hilarious little baby bottom teeth coming through, which is pretty cute. He sort of has started loving story time. He still loves baths. And we are also knee-deep in sleep regression, which is not great. I think I might have stupidly bragged that he was sleeping 9 hours a night because that made, you know, I was totally in my head very like, I'm very lucky I have a good baby. And then sleep regression hit, and now he's we're very disorganized. We're dysregulated, I guess is the terminology. He'll go to bed much earlier, like around 7:30, and then he'll wake up at midnight, and then at 2, and then at 4, and it's like a whole thing. So now we're kind of in sleep training mode, and I think this week he's actually going to move to his crib, so I'm really excited. He's going to start eating food soon, and I know this sounds weird because you'd think that I would be like the person to be so pumped about baby food. But honestly, I kind of really like how convenient the bottle is. Like bottle feeding, because I pump and then bottle feed him. That's so easy. And doing the food, it just sounds like it just adds a whole nother level of stuff, right? Like you have to make it, and then you have to do the cleaning, and he's in a high chair, and all this stuff. I know it's part of him growing up, and I'm excited about that, but I don't know. I'm going to miss the convenience of just the bottle, that is for certain. He is very vocal. He loves chatting and cooing. It always seems like he's about to burst into speaking at me. I think at any given point, I keep expecting him to all of a sudden like speak in full sentences, like Stewie from Family Guy or something like that. Because he's teething, he loves sucking on ice cubes. So I got that little thing. It looks like a ring pop, honestly. It looks like a ring pop, but instead of the candy on top, it's just a little silicone thing with holes in it that you stick an ice cube in. And he's obsessed with it. It's like his favorite thing. That's kind of where we're at. I think it's been good. He's definitely at this age now where I'm like not sure I can take him to brunch anymore. I don't know how mobile he's gonna remain, but I have a feeling very soon he's gonna be wriggly and not letting me just like pop him in his car seat and take him anywhere. So I'm gonna miss that. But I'm really excited about the little bear he's turning into. He's very sweet. He likes cuddles, and I guess some of the funnier things too is he's just gotten, I don't know, his FOMO's gotten more intense, like fear of missing out. So if I have a conversation with someone and we don't look at him, he'll start kind of squawking, like, "Hey, remember, I'm the most important." And then we're like, "Oh yeah, yes you are. Oh hi. You're slobbering so much." You can tell he's teething from all the slobbering. Oh my gosh. But anyway, it's been really funny seeing his personality come through for sure. Wait, you want to say hi to everybody? Hi. Hi. His favorite thing to do with Craig is barrel rolls. So we'll put him on Craig's chest when Craig's laying down, and James will fling himself to either side and Craig has to catch him. Surprisingly, no one has gotten a bump on the head doing that. I'm sort of impressed with Craig's reflexes as well as James' abilities, so that's been really fun. But otherwise, it's been a good time. And yeah, I guess any tips you guys have about sleep regression, I would really appreciate. Tips about feeding. What do you think I should start with? What should his first food be? Kind of like thinking about it. I don't know. My mom wants it to be mushy peas. Hi. But I don't know. Should it be sweet potatoes? Should it be spinach? Should it be cereal? What do you think? So please post below. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. Otherwise, that's it. Do you want to say goodbye, James? No, he doesn't. He's so sad to say goodbye. All right, I'm going to wave your hand. This started well. All right, well, bye, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Like the video if you like it. And hey, Grouchy Gus. I'll see you next time. Bye.